We are going on a jet plane, not a jet, but a 747 or something like that. And tonight I'm flying to Amsterdam. I have a work trip in the Netherlands this upcoming week. Today's Saturday, and we're off. Now the mall is like packed. I'm gonna go try and find a little shop and get a couple things for my hotel. I'm just like struggling with the jet lag. I'm so tired, but I'm gonna try and stay up and then maybe go to sleep at like 8 or 9 and just sleep tonight and feel better after that. Also, it's like bizarre because not a single person is wearing a mask here. Like, I feel like I'm getting looks for wearing one, and I just didn't realize that that was a thing. Like, I'm in normal, I don't know, it's a weird feeling. Okay, it is the morning of our first set of meetings today. I just got ready. I am wearing the whole like tan suit Obama getup that I wore the first day I went to the office, except back then I didn't have this cropped blazer. This is like a new one from Princess Polly that I think works really well. It's not the exact same shade. If you can see, it's a little bit warmer toned, but I don't really care, and it's close enough. And these people don't care really about what you're wearing anyway. I kind of feel like I'm gonna be overdressed, to be honest. I don't think it's gonna be like that fancy of an event, but I don't really care. Better to be overdressed and overeducated, whatever that quote is. And these are Amazon fashion pants. I have them linked on my page, and bodysuit as well. And then I'm wearing a gold necklace, gold jewelry, as always, and my hair just has some loose curls in it. My voice sounds a little rough, but we're good. I'm wearing brown booties, and I'm excited. I'm a little bit nervous. I'm about to head over to the meeting space. I'm gonna be meeting a lot of new people today, and hopefully they're very productive and interesting conversations, and wish me luck. I probably won't film anything because it's a work thing, but at least this is what I looked like going there.
Yeah, thank you.
Hello everyone. It's the next day, day 2 of the conference. It's a 3-day conference. So we're in the middle. Tomorrow's the last day. It is morning time. I just put on my little outfit. I'm putting on my little jacket. And I'll show you guys what I'm wearing today. More neutrals. This one's a little darker. This is by Sanctuary. It's a medium. It's a newly rental and I feel like I got it. I thought it was a Free People one. Like, I don't think it was listed as Sanctuary, but I don't know. Anyway, it's really lightweight. It's gonna be another warm day. It got up to like 70 degrees yesterday and it was beautiful, and it's sunny again today. I'm really lucked out with the weather. So there's the fit. I'll show you full length mirror style. Just wearing a black mock neck with these pants that are newly as well. I love the fit of them. If you saw my haul, I was obsessing over them, but they're kind of like these flare, high-waisted tan pants and black belt, gold jewelry, and then this little plaid number. So hair's kind of sticking up. I didn't really have any product to put in it to keep it in place, so we're just hoping for the best. More meetings today. It'll be nice because we kind of like know each other now, and I got to talk to a lot of people more on like a casual basis at dinner last night, which was good. And yeah, today should be a good day. So there's also supposed to be this little market out in the square, in the town center here, and right by where we're staying. And I went to the market last time I was here and it was adorable, and I really want to go back, so I'm hoping that it actually comes up today, because that's what I heard. That's the word on the street. So yeah, happy Wednesday. Looks like they're setting up for the marketplace later. I'm so excited. I'm gonna come back, maybe at lunch, and get my Postmates. Beautiful morning once again. Walk into the meeting space. It's lunchtime now. And the market is going. So cute. Okay everyone, I am back in my hotel room. Now again, I really can't film much during the day just because we're in meetings and conferences like back to back to back. But it was a really good, productive day. Very successful, feeling good, and I'm pretty tired honestly. So I think I might have an early night, but we have actually a little bit of free time before social events. So I'm gonna go for a sunset walk because it's golden hour right now, and the canals at golden hour are like my favorite thing in the world. So I'm gonna bring you guys with me, listen to some music, just have some like solitude time because not too much of that on this trip, and walk around, enjoy the beautiful weather, and hopefully I'll try and get back early tonight to get lots of rest before our last full day tomorrow. I don't even think Friday's a day at all because that's when I'm flying home and I'm not doing anything in the morning. My flight's at 1 p.m. on Friday, so I'm gonna like, I still need to schedule out exactly what time I'm gonna leave and everything, but I'd probably just grab breakfast here at the hotel and then head out relatively early. So last day, I'm about to head out. I'm wearing this coat because it's like 50 degrees outside right now, and it's from Go Spell, rented from Newly. It's the one I wore on the plane, which I already probably talked about. And then I'm wearing a sweater vest from Abercrombie with white top under it, and I'm wearing the nude jeans again just because they looked best with this. I thought about wearing regular jeans, but they just didn't look that nice, even though like it'd be fine. It's not like the most fancy event, but just rather play it safe with these. And my brown booties, and we're heading out. The session starts in 10 minutes and I have to run across the street, so let's go. got my COVID test to go back home. It was so easy. And he's gonna email me the results in 15 minutes. So we're on lunch from the conference right now. So I thought this would be the perfect time to book my COVID test because it's super quick and then I can just not worry about it the rest of the day. And also falls just within the 24-hour window because my flight is at 1 tomorrow. Almost got hit by a bike. Welcome to the Netherlands. Anyway, beautiful day, the sun's shining, and I'm gonna go grab some food before heading back for the last session of the day. And we're done. Last day just ended. We had drinks and food and hung out for a bit in the event space. And now I'm heading back to my hotel and getting ready to go. Thank you. The automatic doors are so slow here. Hello everyone. It is that time, 9 a.m. on Friday. Suitcase is packed. I'm just putting together last minute things. Then we're headed back to the US of A. So I had a great night of sleep. I went to bed relatively early, I think around like 10, and woke up at 7. So feeling good. Had a nice relaxed morning instead of having to like rush directly to the airport. Went down, got some coffee in the lobby. Okay, let's see. I have my backpack and I have like this work bag. So I have my laptop in here, and then I think I'll put the charger in my backpack just to save space. They also gave us all Stroop waffles, our office manager, which was very nice. So this will be good for the trip and to bring back to Big Ball because there's plenty. So put them in there, and then I'll probably get a couple snacks at the airport and put them in there too. I'll probably finish this on the train because I have like a 30-minute train to the Amsterdam airport from here, which is lucky that I'm staying in a hotel that's attached to the main transit in Utrecht here. So I just have to walk like 5 minutes to get to the train station, buy my ticket to AMS, and then just hop directly on the train. And it's a very straight shot. Like, it's so easy to navigate Amsterdam airport. I absolutely love it. I think it's one of my favorite airports, besides the fact that it's just massive, so you have to walk super far, but it's really nice. This trip was a lot of ups and downs because I wasn't feeling super well when I first got here, and I was worried that I was gonna end up being sick and not being able to join. But I think it just, like, the travel day hit me really hard. So I slept most of that day, and the next day I was feeling much better. My voice is just like a little rough, but I've tested negative for COVID multiple times. And I wasn't like actively sick or feverish or anything. I just was like feeling the effects of travel, I think, because I had a little bit of a cold last week before I came, and I think just being a little bit down on my immune system didn't help. But overall, I'm glad I got to join the conference in person and meet people. It was just a really cool opportunity because a lot of what I do, since I work in the New York office, I don't really work with our people in the field or like our local NGO partners directly much at all. So it was really cool to be able to meet them face to face and like learn more about like what they're working on and their collaborations with us that I don't work on, but my other team members might more. And it was just a really enlightening experience. It was mostly like a learning week for me. I was definitely in listening mode and just kind of like absorbing everyone else's stories and brainstorms. I was kind of like, you know, working on our collaborations with other organizations and talking about like the way forward and what we see as our goals and what we could do better and everything. And it was just a really cool week. Definitely different than anything I've ever done. Glad that I came. I could have done it virtually and stayed in New York, but I would have missed like half the sessions because of the time difference. And I wouldn't have been able to make the connections with people in person. So great stuff. I'm feeling accomplished, fulfilled. My cup is full, and I'm definitely ready to head back home. So I'm flying through Iceland. I have a layover for like an hour and a half, which isn't that long for an international layover because sometimes you have to go through security again. So I'm hoping that my first flight lands early. Never been to Iceland, so one day. But today I'm just running through the airport to catch another flight. So 3-hour flight to Iceland, and then I have an 1.5 hour layover before a 6-hour flight. So it's a lot of travel today, and then I get into JFK at like 7 p.m. So that's what's nice about flying east to west, is gaining time. That's a wrap on the Netherlands trip. March 2022. My nails were all intact. They were pretty grown out and I was worried about them, but I would call that a success. We're just gonna close up the suitcase and close up shop. So my suitcase was 37 pounds coming here, which is a record for me because usually I'm always pushing 50 and it's usually overweight. But this is a short trip and I was so efficient with my packing that I actually planned every single outfit and only packed those. I packed like one extra for nighttime. I didn't end up needing anything that I didn't have, which was revolutionary for me. We're taking off this guy. Oh, right, it's a broken zipper. Okay, I'm wearing my big coat, aka the best blanket ever on an airplane. Will definitely be cozy, but probably sweating running through the Amsterdam airport. I mean, I'm getting there so early. My flight's at 1. It's 9 now. I'm gonna get to the airport like 9:45. So, but I was like, I might as well sit around there and waste time than sit around here and then end up running. So, and we're off. We're in the tunnel now. Almost to the airport. Got this whole section to myself.